Hey everyone, it's Mirza Hashamuddin here, and today I've got an exciting story to share with you. Ever wondered how to turn $500 into $5,000 without taking massive risks? Well, I did exactly that, and I'm going to break down every step of my journey so you can do it too. But there's a twist. There's one critical move that I made, and it's what really took my trading to the next level. Stick around because I'll be revealing everything. Well, almost everything. The final move? You'll hear about it in the next video. Let's dive in. Let me be honest. When I first started trading, I made a ton of mistakes. I threw money at random stocks, hoping for a quick win. Spoiler alert, it didn't work. It wasn't until I learned about risk management that things started to change. The game changer? Stop loss orders. A stop loss acts like a safety net, automatically selling a stock if it drops below a certain price, which helps you cut your losses early. This was my first big lesson. Always protect your downside, because in trading, it's about surviving long enough to catch the wins. Now, here's the thing. After learning about stop loss orders, I realized I needed to do more to protect myself from market swings. That's when I learned the importance of diversification. Putting all your money into one stock is like betting everything on one horse. It's risky. Instead, I spread my investments across stocks, bonds, and even some crypto. This way, if one part of my portfolio underperformed, the other parts could pick up the slack. Diversifying is like building a safety cushion for your money. Next up is a tool that helped me make smarter decisions: technical analysis. Now, I'm not a market wizard, but I learned to look at charts and find patterns. One of the key indicators I relied on was the moving average. It's simple. When the price of a stock drops below the moving average, it often signals a buying opportunity. When it climbs back up, time to sell. Using these basic patterns, I started timing my trades more effectively, which added consistent gains to my portfolio. Here's a pro tip that might surprise you. In trading, it's not about hitting a home run every time. Instead, I focused on minimizing my losses. I realized that small, controlled losses were better than risking my whole account on a single trade. By keeping my losses small and sticking to a disciplined approach, I could survive those rough patches and still be around to catch the bigger wins later. This is how I've stayed in the game without blowing up my account. So far, I've shared the key strategies that took me from $500 to $5,000. Risk management, diversification, technical analysis, and minimizing losses. But here's where it gets really interesting. There's one final move I made that transformed my entire trading strategy. Without this move, I probably would have stayed stuck at $500. This is the real game changer that took my trading to the next level. But guess what? I'm saving that for the next video. In part 2, I'm going to reveal exactly what I did that skyrocketed my success. Trust me, it's a step you won't want to miss. Are you curious about that final move? Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll know the moment I drop that video. And while you're at it, leave a comment below telling me, what's been your biggest trading challenge so far? I'd love to hear your stories and maybe even help you out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one, where we unlock the final piece of the puzzle to turning $500 into $5,000.